We have code brown here. Ew. Come with me. Come on, Mr. J. Eat it one bite.
What? It is warm and sticky. Ugh. Ah, ugh. What is that? Ugh.
Check it out.
It's a doggy! I love dogs!
Ew, you are strange.
Wait a second. Who's the villainous creature that did this? Well. The red one or the blue one? In this case, it is both. Time to pull. You know the drill. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, pull! Thanks, Mr. J. Oh, my pleasure voice in my head. Okay, here we go. No, little monster. They're all safe now. Don't bother. Or go do that with the wires in the bat cave. Another joker victor. Oh, no! Why, you little? Don't give me these puppy eyes. I can't be mad at you. Let's clean this up. No, this is not an attack practice. Oh, this guy's giving me another workout session. Stop it. I am serious, you ball of fur. You look like the mob. I'm getting dizzy. What are you doing? Please, please. Give me that. Are you? Wait, I have an idea. Watch and learn, viewer. Oh, secret stash. This will do. This goes in, nice and tight. What are you looking at, my guy? I am all ears. Needs a body, too. Wow, such a nice toy I made. Mr. Mop, my new sidekick. Robin got nothing on him. Hey, doggy, look. Yeah, beat that guy up. He deserved it. Oh, you're all lovey-dovey now. Oh, such a cute doggy. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? It's dinner time! Go! And scoop up that tasty stuff, too. I honestly can do this all day. Amazing! Come here, buddy. Is there a button for that, too? Oh, it's time. Come here, little prince. Here you go, you little muffin. You make me forget I'm a psycho. Wait! Huh? Where are you going? Oh, I get it now. Ah, you want a comfy bed. I can come up with something. Why am I wearing so much stuff anyways? Hey ladies, this is for you. Whoopsie, it is not what you think. Here we go. Oh.
Yeah, Bruce, I want to see the cave. Huh?
I get everything I need now. You go in here. Yep, just like that. Don't play around with this tool. It can get very hot. All the way to the other side. Done. Now it's about to get sticky. Perfect execution from yours truly. I am not done here yet. Now pull them together. Wow, it looks so comfy. Oh, I just can't get enough of this cushion. It's so good. Oh, that's for you, my friend. Here you go. Do you like it? You definitely should. Oh, look at him feeling like a boss. I want to make one for me, too. King-size sweater is needed. Hey, handsome. Yes, shawty. It is not what it looks like. You wanna go out? Let's go! Yikes! Sorry, doggy. It is raining outside. Oh, you're this keen on the idea. Huh? What's this? Ooh, is this something from Bat's utility belt? Or a fashion statement? I got it! Look at it! Wow, I feel like a changed man. And this thing is definitely cool too. Come on, buddy, be brave. We're absolutely waterproof. Everything is okay. Yeah, all Gucci. Well, back to my original self. There's a monster here! Clayface, is that you? Ah, please, no, no! I have to do something about it quickly. This may help. Huh? What is this exactly? Whoa. Wow, look at that. So satisfying. I get a master plan here. Just watch. Fill it up with shampoo. Bottoms up. Step 1 is successfully done. Step 2 is the harder one. It's like a massage, buddy. The talented prince of ASMR. I can simply do it all. Want a pedicure, mister? Say no more. Am I getting soft? I should take a baby's candy after this video just to feel like myself again. No. Ooh. Look. Oh. Don't be scared, homie. It will be 10 times better with this gadget. Oh, just look at you. This is like a dog's version of a spacesuit. We're going to the moon and back, buddy. Good boy, good boy. Let's see the result. Woohoo! Who wants a hot dog? He's completely dry. Ha! And finally, woo, yeah. My dog identifies as a cat. Woo! Here we go, buddy. Aw, just look at this luscious hair. Whew. Yikes! I know what to do. Click. All clean now. That's a lot of fur. Nice brush. Now what to do with this? Wow, look at that hat. But something is missing. Cutting time! And I'm not talking about editing. This is all I need. Ooh, yeah. Now I have a full suit. Here we go. Aw, this is the cutest thing in the universe. Oh, what's this? I don't remember this being in my house, but I have an idea. Roll with it. Hippity hoppity, get off my property. Click. Looks nice. Now a little glue gun action again. Hot sauce coming. Now it looks so cool. You won't be needing this.
Hey, how rude! I was using that, mister!
Nice. Another piece of the puzzle. One of my specialities. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Nice job. Oh, this house will get even better. The perfect decoration. Oh, looks so nice now. Ooh, let's have a treat, shall we? Or leave it for later. I treat this dog as royalty. Why Holly never offers me dog food? I'm getting all thirsty doing so much work. Oh, finally done. It looks so perfect. Oh. Hey dog, this is your new home. Eyes on the prize. He knows what's up. This guy can be an archaeologist one day. Do you know Batman has a dinosaur skeleton in his Batcave? Ah, what a wonderful day to be mad. What? Oh no, a poopy. I'm a responsible citizen. Come on. Come on. Shoot. Oh, Oh, hey, boy. Oh, give me a handshake. I won't shock you, promise. Now we're talking a lot easier. Thank you, doggy. But now comes the hardest part. I can't.
What is Jokerin about? Dude. Watch and learn. Check this out.
What? Whoops! Huh? What is that? Is this a new hammer? Aha! No, stay put! That was a close call. Now let's get my hands dirty. Not literally, I hope. Got it! Ugh. Let's go, buddy. Boom! We are home! Oh, not again! The good old mop. And you. You will see a magic trick again. This one is epic. Tuck it good. And pull. Water is the source of life and the key to cleaning that mess. Enough. Now give me your hand and look in my eyes. 1 down, 3 to go. Black twist. This is just wonderful. Nice thing. I can use it for other stuff. Oh, yeah, like this. Oh. They're getting cleaner like your dirty mind. Dishwashing has never been so easy. What is this horrible smell? No one is safe from this kind of surprises. I need a mask immediately. Oh, Kitty, what did he have for lunch? Away, you horrible poo-poo.
Oh, such a nice day. What is this?
I'm sorry. Ooh la la, now this is something I can use. Don't turn. Perfect stealing. Now you're probably wondering what I'm doing. Oh well, I don't want to smell horrible poo-poo ever again. I need to make a litter box for my cat. We'll hide it somehow so that my mom never sees it. With this flower. Nice. I like it, but something is missing.
My precious. Oh, my cuties. My lovies.
I'm sorry, Mom, but I need stones. Here you are. Now let's take all of them. Let's place you over here. Oh, now it smells much better. High five. Simply astonishing. Huh? What is this now? Huh? I have an idea. I will use these bowls and create a unique sparkly foot tower for my kitty. Nice. Look, just what I needed. If I can balance this in the middle. Now all we have to do is add everything on top. Amazing! All that's left to do is add some cat food inside the bowls. Different taste on each floor. And Kitty's favorite one on top. Sometimes not even restaurants have so many choices. You can eat now.
Let me check what you made for me. This is delicious. Next time, please add foie gras.
Oh, so cute. Can I try one? I'm also hungry. Ooh. Ooh, I see something interesting. I'm sorry, Mom. I need that bowl. You can still eat your snacks. needs fresh vitamins. Let's plant greens for Kitty. Did you know kitties like feng shui? They don't just like it, they love it. First, we're going to spread these magic seeds. Look how they grow! Magical! Then, we're going to add Kitty's healthy snack here. Ready? Come here, Kitty!
Wow, there's a real garden in here for me.
Now let's keep your food fresh in this tiny, adorable fridge. Aw, look how cool our Kitty's corner looks.
I can't even play with this blade.
Oh, look at you. A coochie coochie goo. A coochie coochie goo. A coochie coochie goo. Time for my healthy snack. Is that my phone? Where is it? Oh no! I need to go to school. Bye-bye, Kitty.
Hey, stop!
Huh? What happened?
Don't leave me alone. I will get bored.
Oh, I will miss you too. Don't worry, Kitty. I know exactly what to do. Trousers off. Just a second, and you'll understand what I'm trying to do. They look exactly like my legs. Now I need an upper body. Let's cross the legs to make a nice pillow leg for you. Socks! Let's add some cotton in there. And... ta-da! Ooh, this balloon has the same size as my head. Perfect fit. And a smiley face.
Now I won't feel lonely. It will feel like you're always here. Great idea.
One more thing. I don't want you to get bored. This is your own Kitty laptop. Let's hook it up with a mouse. Ready. You can use it as you want, but I have to go. Bye-bye.
Bye. I'm just gonna lie here and miss you like this. Come back soon. Yeah, sure. I'd better get busy and find a way to decorate my room some more. Wow, there are so many great toys for cats on Cool Tool Channel. This is exactly what I need. I can also sharpen my claws on my laptop while I'm looking on how to make a toy myself. So cool. Looks like Kitty found something she likes. First things first, we need some birds. Some magic paw. Let's take these birds and attach them with this ribbon. Look how cool this kitty toy is. So smart. Kitty's favorite game is catch the birdies. This is a very good exercise for the hands. Good job, Kitty.
Kitty, what are you doing here? Where did you get such a toy? You need a modern toy. Huh? Kitty loves toys, so let's buy her this one. Ooh, nice. Here you go. This toy is so cool. It'll be so much fun catching these moving balls. This toy has the same ears as you. It gets even better. First, we need to press the kitty paw button. Insert this cool fluffy toy on it. It's blue, your favorite color. Now, with a magic click on the top, it'll start rotating, and now you can catch a laser. Your favorite laser toy.
I heard playing with the laser is a fun cardio activity for cats. I can't stop.
Uh-oh, this laser is pointing at me. Ah, kitty, wait!